guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. This is week 2 of my try-on haul of my Me-Made May 2020. I thought I would start this week off with my Easter dress. It has been a while since I put on this dress. It has pockets, so it's amazing. It is a Knipmode pattern. I'm going to put the pattern number in the screen right here somewhere, as well as the year that I made this pattern. So this is it. I mean, it is beautiful. Still loving it. I still wear it. In the summertime, I just feel so chic in this one. Number 2. I'm trying to get it right. The top is from Knipmode and the bottom is from Knipmode. And it's a pencil skirt that I finished with an elastic waistband. I'm definitely rolling with this whole garden theme. Outfit number 3. When I wear this dress, I feel so beautiful. I don't know what it is about this dress, but this dress, I'm not sure if it's from Burda or from Knipmode. I believe it is from Burda, but you will see it in the screen, and it has to be at least 3 to 4 years ago that I made this dress. And it has a deep V in the back. It just the only thing, this dress is not biker proof, stairs proof, and definitely not lower cars proof. It doesn't have a split, so no wiggle room, you guys. And to be honest, it might not even be dinner proof, because it fits me so snug. It's just like, maybe this is just a cup of water when you go to a party and do nothing else. And I think that's it, yeah. Let's move on to the next outfit. Okay, so we have arrived at this jumpsuit, which my mom and I call Wedgie. I think I already explained in one of my videos what is wrong with this jumpsuit, but however, it is just a beauty. I'm telling you, it's a beauty to wear. The pattern is by Simplicity. No, the pattern is by Vogue. The pattern is by Vogue. I'm going to put it somewhere in here. And it is from my very first fashion mood board. My summer fashion mood board. It just came out almost perfect. Almost perfect. But you know my team. My team is, life isn't perfect, so my clothes aren't supposed to be. That's it. There's no shame in my game. But I like this. I like the white-legged. I like everything about this. Woo! This dress is a Pinterest-inspired dress, and I'm going to insert the picture right there so you guys can see it. It is a Burda pattern. The fabric, I searched for this fabric. This is almost the same as what the lady has on. And just created this dress. So, but it's a fun one to dress. I could wear it, I could dress it up, dress it down. So it's a very versatile dress. So I really like it. And the best part is pockets. I mean, you need pockets in a dress. You definitely do. So, yeah. Oh, I remember when I made this this ensemble, this pantsuit, that it was like, isn't that a little bit much with all those flowers and stuff? But let me tell you, I mean, this is an ensemble. When you're dressed like this, you are dressed to impress. So what I have here is my very first pantsuit, but the pants and both of them are from Burda. It's just, oh, look at it. flower shoot. Nobody can tell me anything. Like you put them together or you wear them apart. I just have a tank top on to diffuse whatever is going on in my clothes. Well, it's definitely 3 outfits, so it's one together and one separate for each. And that makes it really versatile. So yeah, love. You guys, if you haven't noticed, I love to not only sew dresses but wear dresses, and this is no exception. And especially if the dress has pockets, you know you got me. So this dress also has print, garden print, flowers, whatever on it, and I just love it. I really love the colors on it. It is a Burda, and you guys know I have a love and not so love relationship with Burda. So I mean, you can't really go wrong with this one. You can't really go wrong with this one. So yes, you guys, with this video and with this month series, I just want to show you guys how you can play with your clothes, your handmade clothes, mix and match and do whatever it is that you want, you know. So when I was putting things together, I noticed that I had a garden tin on my hand, and I was like, I gotta show you guys. And these are it, you know, are things that I made throughout the years. So all of them shows some type of sewing evolution that I experienced, and as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey, and have a great day. Bye.